Hey folks, Reed here. I just wanted to share you a quick update. Just out for a stroll in the rice fields by our house, which is a pretty beautiful spot. Just give you a quick look at what it looks like there. They're currently harvesting the rice, which is very, very busy time of the year. Some have already done it and some are just getting to it now, and some of these fields have been plowed. Just walking with my dog Frida up there. Yeah, we had some issues this morning with our water system where one of the relays forgot to click on, emptying one of the water tanks, starving the pump, and just causing the filters and whatnot to just wreak havoc. So I've been in my shorts inside these huge water tanks today fixing. So, which is a nice break, I suppose, from sitting in front of the computer. And now I'm out stretching my legs before I get back and do some work. But a quick update about the algos. We have a really nice group of guys who are helping me test the buy and sell zones in the asset strength reversion. We have Anas, Frank, Todd, and Andrew. And we've been testing some really unique configurations of the buy and sell zones and the asset strength reversion algo. And what we're looking for is automation. We want 100% automation, no human intervention, because I think this is a really optimal way to get things done. And we've been running this test for maybe no more than about a week or so, and thus far the results are looking very, very promising using the latest builds. There are a couple of bugs that I had to fix. I've got those done. There's one that's I'm still trying to find like a needle in a haystack, but the ASR is doing super well. And the buy and sell zones, here's a tip for buy and sell zones users. On the 15-minute chart in release mode at the London Open, so let it run for a couple of hours from around 20 past 8 o'clock London time in release mode. So that's mode 2, and it's doing some really, really exciting stuff. The stop is a little bit wide just to allow for a bit of flexibility, a bit of air, and the target a little bit closer, but it's looking good. I mean, very, very motivating results so far, so I'm quite happy. And the asset strength reversion is running, kind of ticking away, but we just need some more data. We need more, like a bigger sample size, so that we have some numbers that we can look at, so we can single out pairs and times of days and time frames and whatnot. But the asset strength reversion is running on the 1 hour and the 4 hour, and it's doing very well. We have, again, slightly wider stop to give it a bit of flexibility, so these positions can mature before they work, because prices don't expand and then contract immediately. I mean, at the state, like the period of time when these bullish and bearish cycles come to completion, I mean, they're seeking liquidity higher and lower, and so they kind of have to sit there at the extremes at the end of a bull or a bear cycle, and they're kind of jumping up to seek liquidity, and so you kind of have to allow for that to happen, because that's a very natural price behavior. And so this is what we're adding to the functionality via the configuration. Yeah, so this is super exciting, and I'm very optimistic, actually, very optimistic indeed. Good. Well, I'm going to go have some lunch and stop for now, but if you have any questions about these things, let me know. And thanks once again for your watching. See you next time.